alam mo, nakakatuwa yung sinabi mo na yung self-love and focusing on friends na actually hindi mo naman talaga kailangan maghanap ng significant other eh. Pwede
Yeah,
mong
yeah,
hanapin yung love sa mga friends mo. And they
yeah.
can, they can fill up the gaps
Yes,
na sa tingin ng ibang tao eh wala ka.
yes, that's true. And of course, I also learned how to enjoy my own company. Syempre, hindi rin naman 24/7 nandiyan yung mga friends ko, di ba? I don't wanna be a needy friend or a needy person. So, di ba, I've been living alone and I learned how to enjoy my own company. Yung tumambay lang dito sa con. Dati kasi kailangan laging lumalabas talaga ako eh. But now, at least I can just sit back and relax with my dog and, just enjoy my own company. Hindi ko kailangan tumawag ng friend. Punta ka dito. Hindi walang, oo, yung kaya ko lang talaga yung sarili ko.
O ang sarap kaya niya, no? Yung you have the house all to yourself, tapos
Yeah.
wala lang, I mean,
Oo.
dead ma kahit hindi ka naligo, 'di ba?
Yes!
Parang
Oh my gosh! Totoo po yan. Totoo po yan. Yung your house, your rules. Kasi walang mangingialam sa'yo.